My name is Steve Baranowski. I am the Senior Vice President of Residential Lending. We handle all the mortgages and home equity loans for the bank. I've been here for 21 years. A current employee brought me to the bank. He had a relationship with the home builder that I was working with, and I made a switch from the computer industry to come over to the mortgage industry. One thing that makes me feel proud and fulfilled in my role here at Marquette Bank is the connections that our team makes with our home buyers. When our loan officers attend our closings and take photos with the customers, you can just see the relationship that they've built with their customers by just looking at the photo. Sometimes they'll have their arms around each other, they're always smiling, just very positive vibes. And then when the customer fills out their testimonial, the information that they give us in those testimonials just strengthens the bond with our support staff that they were able to build during that process, and I'm extremely proud of that. In my 21 years here, the bank has grown tremendously in a lot of different areas. Two specific ones would be technology, especially for our area. We've gone to e-signatures, we have online secure portals, we've digitized verifications. A lot of the things that the big banks do and promote, we're able to do those things too and still give that personal touch and relationship feel at the end. The second way would be our regulatory growth. So the communication across the departments, the embracing of compliance, it's really come a long way, and it stands out with our 12 consecutive CRA ratings. One of the things that stands out for us in the residential lending area is just the repeat business that we get from the same family, the same borrower, which really is just a testimony to that connection that's made on the first experience. So our borrowers are having such a positive experience the first time that second time that relationship is sticky and they're not really looking to go anywhere else. We're the one-stop shop for lending. Marquette Bank empowers its employees to serve their customers and their neighborhoods from the top down. It truly does start with the leadership from our chairman, from our executive team, from our senior management team, first management. From top to bottom, the message is sent daily, weekly. Our employees understand that they should be doing what's in the best interest of the customer. And we're small enough to where our employees have access to the decision makers so that if they're uncertain of something, they have access to that person that they need to get to, and they can get that customer the right answer quickly. Not too long ago, even though I've been here for 21 years, our department moved locations, and we moved over to the corporate center where most of our executive team is located and where the chairman's office is located. I needed to come into the office on a Saturday morning to grab some things, and when I pulled into the parking lot, the chairman of the bank, who's been here for 42 years, pulled into the parking lot as well. And what I found out in a brief conversation with him is that he still comes to work most Saturdays, if not every Saturday. So the bank's been in his family for 80 years. He's been here for 42 of those years, and he still comes to work on Saturdays. We had a great conversation about our closing gifts and what we do to make connections with our customers. And as I drove away, I literally thought to myself, why would I want to work anywhere else, or why would I want to bake anywhere else with that kind of commitment from its leadership? If I could send a message to our customers and our communities, it would be thank you. Thank you for your support. It doesn't just come from inside the bank. Your support and our relationships with you are why we've been here for 80 years.